We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words and some of the most mispronounced ones as well in English. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Statutes. Statutes. So you do want to stress on the first syllable, on the sta syllable, and it's not a T sound, but a ch sound. Statutes. Both in British English and in American English, same or similar pronunciations as statutes. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.